Hi, welcome to Carrie's Boat Shop. This is the third installment of a video that I'm showing to demonstrate how to cut the bottom plank rabbet onto a one-piece chine of a 1938 Chris Craft runabout. So in this third video, I'm showing that I've made my initial pass with my router here, making just a shallow cut down the chine. Note how I still have room to go inward to hit my rabbet line. The reason why I'm doing this so as to not hit the rabbet line on my initial pass is that my router bit is 3/4 of an inch, and this distance here is a little over an inch. So I'm going to work my way from the inside edge of the chine to the rabbet line through a series of passes. First few being, I will run several passes incrementally to the thickness downward to hit the base of the rabbet, and then I'll work my way inward. You can see here that the router bit is at the inside edge of the chine, and again, what I'll do is I'll remove my fence, which is here. I will actually add that this line represents if the router base is up to that line, that will cut all the way to here. So after I'm finished cutting these initial passes, I'll add a strip of wood onto here to come up to this line, which will push me out to the actual rabbet line for my final passes. So pass one went all right. I'm going to add a little depth to it and continue down until I get the full depth of the rabbet.